Good morning, my lovelies. I'm back. I've got the camera positioned a bit differently. I'm in my pamper room because I want to show you a little bit about our Instant Glow Perfecting Leg Serum. We have one of our new products is a little mini one. Yay! So this is the original. The original size is 180ml, and the cost of the 180ml is £24. But the brand new mini that's just been launched, we love our minis, it was launched on the 14th of March, is 100ml. So if you've not tried it, you can try it out with the little 100ml, and that's £14. While I'm saying, I'm just telling you, while I've got a pink dress on today, I've put some Go Go Goji on with our brand new lippy, but that's for another day. Our little lip brush. And if you're just thinking, some of you may like the colour of my lippy today. There it is. Go Go Goji, I think it is. Oh, hang on, no it's not. Sorry, it's wild watermelon. Sorry, it's not Go Go Goji, wild watermelon. There you go. It's a lovely pink, matches my dress today. Not Go Go Goji. Anyway, I just thought I'd mention that to you. I'll do a separate video on our brush and our eco brushes another day. I digress. Anyway, so I'm going to use our lovely, because I don't like getting my hands all mucky, so I'm using our lovely hand mitt, which you can use for all our self-tanning products, our sun drench and our what's the other one called, summer skin. That's our gradual tanning and our instant tanning lotions, which I'll do another video for you later. But I'm using our tanning mitt, and I think it's only costs £5, something like that, I think. It's great for streak-free, flawless, natural-looking tan every time, with an inner lining to prevent your hands from staining. It's the ideal partner to your sun drench and obviously your summer skin, and I use it for our Instant Glow. Anyway, let me move the camera so you can see. That's why I haven't got it on the normal tripod. All you do, give your leg serum a good old nice shake up. And basically, our Instant Glow Perfecting Leg Serum is a must-have instant bronzing serum for totally flawless legs, with natural caramel and gold shimmer particles to instantly boost skin luminosity, enriched with repairing Arnica extract to reduce the appearance of bruises and scars. That's what I need. My legs are pretty old, so it really covers. And now that with spring and summer on the way, I know it's the difficult times, but we want to just self-care and make us feel good. And this is instant and makes your skin look lovely, and why not use it? So we've got what makes it so special. It smooths instantly onto the skin for a perfectly even application. It has a delicately fruity scent from coconut and grapefruit, and the results are a natural looking golden tan and a more even skin tone. Reduced appearance of scarring, blemishes and blotches. That's what I need. I've got thin, you know, those thin veins, blue veins on my legs. You'll see in a minute. It's a creamy, spreadable lotion that glides effortlessly onto skin with vanilla and coconut, which makes the lotion smell like a tropical paradise. It's great as a daily moisturising body lotion, and it leaves you with an even, natural-looking skin, sun-kissed tan, and super soft skin. So, let me move the camera over, because I've got myself organised, so that, because I don't know if you saw my video on foot massage the other day. I really got in trouble. I couldn't lift my leg up. So anyway, let's just see if there's any other information to tell you. So our hero ingredients are tanning, a gold shimmer particles, a natural caramel, which instantly boosts skin luminosity. The rejuvenating ingredients are enriched with repairing Arnica extract and vitamin C to reduce the appearance of bruises and scars and stimulate skin cell renewal, and nourishing with coffee butter and antioxidant rich vitamin E to tone and nourish your skin. Okay, so you get a lovely even skin tone. You apply a thin, even layer to clean, exfoliated skin and wash your hands after use. I've got my glove. Okay, and this fab instant glow perfecting leg serum can actually be used all over your body, even on the face, for top to toe glowing skin. And the tanning product will last all day. This is washable, it washes off in the shower. And it's great for an evening out or just making yourself feel nice. Well, we can't go out for the evening, so just to make your skin look nice and feel good, because we want to have a lot of self-care at the moment. We want the feel-good factor. And if we're now not wearing tights or leggings or whatever, we want our legs to look good. It says avoid layering with other products as this can impact the evenness of the tan. So use a physical exfoliator like a loofah or our exfoliating mitt, which I'm going to put a video on later to tell you all about that, how to dry exfoliate your skin and to use our Perfect Skin lotion. And then after applying, wait a few minutes before dressing. Well, I'm already dressed. So I've given it a good shake. Some nice pumps. I like to squeeze it in. It's very simple. So I've done this so that I can show you my other leg, which I'm not going to do yet for you. So you want to really massage it into your skin. Obviously you have to avoid your knees because your knees always end up a bit dry. So this is just one application. I haven't used a lot. Very simple. Then I'm going to show you my other leg, which will be white and horrible, but you can not add too much. It gives you a lovely glowing skin. And I'm going to do videos, as I said, about our tanning products, our natural tanning products, the Sun Drench Overnight Tanning Mousse and the Summer Skin Gradual Tanning Lotion. I hope this has worked for you to show you. Right. And then I'll show you my other leg that hasn't been done. That was quick, wasn't it? Right, let's see if it works. Let's see if it's worked. Yeah, I'll put my legs down. There you go. Oh, can you see? One leg done, one leg not done. I don't know what you can see here. I hope you can see it. So that's one leg that I've just done. And that's one leg not done. Let's see if we can move the camera. That might be better. Okay, one leg done, one leg not done. I don't know what you can see because I'm moving the camera around a bit. But as you can see, really lovely. You can see the difference there, glowing legs. Excuse the veins, I'm very, very old. Okay, so that makes me feel a lot more confident when I'm going out because my legs never get brown, but I will be using our tanning products very soon. Okay then, that's it. See you soon. Bye bye for now.